Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie and we are currently on week 2 of the How to Create Your Dream Space series. Last week we tackled the first most important step, that is how to determine the function of your room. Now that you guys know exactly how to do that, this week it's all about finding your interior style. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've been enjoying this series. Comment below and let me know if you have any questions when it comes to designing your dream space, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The first question you must ask yourself is, why is it important to find your style? You might think it's important to find your style so it's easier to shop for home decor, it's easier to look for inspiration online, it might even be easier to look for furniture, textiles, and artwork if you knew specifically what your style was. It's definitely easier to hop right onto Pinterest, type in modern farmhouse, and then boom, 20 images of modern farmhouse pop up, and then all you have to do is pick your favorites with shoppable links, and then 2 or 3 weeks later, after delivery and shipping, you have this beautiful, perfect, modern farmhouse style room. I do not mean to burst your bubble, but that is not what finding your style means. Finding your style is all about personalizing your space to suit your needs and reflect your lifestyle at that moment in time. It's not a one-size-fits-all method for bossing yourself into a label and only following that label to determine the choices that you make for your home. Why not? Because most furniture, home decor, textiles, and artwork can be transitional, which means they work with a variety of different styles. I know typing in a keyword seems like the simplest thing to do, but seriously, when did the easiest route ever fulfill your wildest dreams? I come from the school of work for what you want. So if you want a dream home, you have to put in the work. Once you start to enjoy and even learn to love the process, design becomes absolutely addicting. You will always want to find the best ways to live a more fulfilling life and to design the space of your dreams. This video will show you how to find your style in 3 easy steps. But before we get started, I want to let you in on a little secret. Finding your style is not as imperative as understanding what inspires you in a space. However, if you are in the process of finding, refining, or even solidifying your personal design style, here are a few easy steps to help you get started. Step 1. Comb through your favorite shelter and interior design magazines, also Instagram, to pull together your favorite room looks. Combine all the inspiration that you've collected and take note of some of the common themes that stand out. Do you love the bohemian look? What is it about the boho look that you love best? Is it a neutral palette with tone-on-tone furnishings? Is it the indoor jungalow that makes you feel as though you've escaped to the great outdoors? Is it the graphic patterns and tribal prints that you love? Do you love the modern minimalist vibe? What about it do you gravitate towards? Is it the low lounge seating, the organic elements, or the geometric shapes that inspires you? Do you love the use of natural finishes in a space that's devoid of a lot of different decorative elements and knickknacks? Isolate your inspiration images and take note of the common themes that you love about it. Once those common themes show up again and again, it's time to take the next action step. Step 2. Now that you've isolated some common themes, it's time to buy home decor and furnishings. You want to start by buying some key pieces to emulate the look that you're drawn to. It could be a piece of furniture, it could be a piece of artwork, it could be a color palette. But absolutely do not try to shop too much and don't shop all at once. Don't buy into home decor trends the moment you see it. You want to let your thoughts simmer and marinate a bit before taking any action. Clearly, furniture is not cheap, at least the ones that you should be investing in. Try shopping secondhand, vintage, Craigslist, eBay, especially if you're trying to save a buck or two. You want to play around with the shopping and your inspiration until you know exactly what you're looking for. If you're shopping online, I've linked a few of my favorite retailers below. Some stores have a variety of different styles that you can shop from, and then some I've isolated for a particular style that they're well known for. If there's a particular style that you're drawn to and you like and is not represented in the list below, drop me a comment and let me know, and I'll probably update this list to reflect more shops that you can peruse. If you don't really know how to isolate the store that you like or a vibe that you're into, imagine that you just won a $10,000 home decor shopping spree. Which store would that be? Start with that store and pick some of your favorite key pieces and build your space around that. The key tip here is to always refer back to your common themes list from step 1 and do not derail. I want you to stop what you're doing and look around your current room. If you feel like nothing matches, that is why. You want to stay focused and keep your eye on the prize. If you've ever made a Target run without a list, you'll know exactly what I mean. Always shop for your home decor and furnishings with a plan in mind and a picture to support your design. Step 3 is to see how you feel living amongst these objects and colors. Consider my favorite keyword when it comes to interior design: aspiration. Do these pieces inspire you to live your best life ever? Do they help you to aspire to live a more meaningful life? I want you to challenge yourself to see why you're immediately drawn to certain furniture pieces or specific pairings. Which elements of style make you feel happy and energized? Which elements make you feel moody or melancholy? When things make you feel good, ask why. When they don't, ask why not. I believe that while aesthetics plays a really huge role in what we naturally gravitate towards, how it affects your day-to-day lifestyle is equally, if not more, important. So always strive to figure out the function first, the style second, and the meaning behind your choices always. By beginning to pay attention to what you might find mundane or unassuming, you have the ability to unearth a deeper meaning and a genuine connectedness to interior design. Then the space that you create around you returns all that beautiful energy you put into it. That's when the magic truly happens. I think in the beginning of trying to find your style, there's a lot of copying going on. You need time to refine things, edit it down, add your own unique touches until it feels personal and truly yours. I actually don't believe that style needs to be found as much as it needs to be rediscovered. Again and again during all times of moments of your life that shape who you are. Interior design should be the sum of who you are, where you've been, and where you hope to go. As that constant is always evolving, it's a really good rule of thumb, and an economical one at that, to truly find the foundation of what you love and start designing your space and building your life around that. I remember back in art school, it was the last semester before I graduated, I had the exciting opportunity to intern for my absolute idol, Kelly Wearstler. Now, if you don't know who Kelly Wearstler is, look her up. She is this powerhouse designer that specializes in commercial, hospitality, and high-end custom residential design. She is one of the most stylish phenoms in the world of design and decorating today. My love for Hollywood Regency was born out of working for her studio. I love that gilded gold opulence mixed with bold use of pattern and color, metallic and glass accents, all smashed together to produce this level of pure opulence and glamour. But as the years went on, I found that my style and aesthetic toned down a lot. While I still love that glamorous vibe and bold opulence and touches of color and pattern that inspired me, I found that these key touches worked so much better with my lifestyle when they were done in moderation. There are some things that I would never get rid of, like that huge gold Baroque mirror that's sitting in my closet, or the splashes of bold fuchsia hues here and there. But I have found new ways to incorporate other styles I love to create a new mix that represents me now. So I want to leave this video with one closing thought. It's going to be my challenge for you today and almost a little bit of homework. I want you to think about the style that you gravitate towards and isolate one key piece of furniture or color palette that you think represents that style. Do you currently have that piece in your home? Why or why not? Comment below and let's get a dialogue going. I would love to help you get a move on creating your dream space, starting with your dream piece. That's it for today, everyone. I had so much fun helping you discover your style. Join me next week for episode 3 of the How to Create Your Dream Space series, Picking a Color Palette. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.